Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this quick video, I'll show you how you can create a sticky header for your websites. But first, let us understand what a sticky header actually is. So on my left side, I have the example of a sticky header, and on my right side, I have the example of a simple header, that is a non-sticky header. So the problem that is related to the non-sticky header is, suppose if I scroll down to navigate to other sections, the header will get hidden, as you can see. To again see the header, we need to go to the top. So suppose I have these four navigational links like the about, project and contact. So if we click to about section, if we click to this about, we will get redirected to about section, and same for project and contact. But the problem is the header will get hidden, as you see. So to again get navigated to another section, we need to go to the top and then click contact. Then suppose if we want to go to the top, like to the home section, we have the only option to scroll to the top and again to project, again to about. So every time we need to scroll to the top to have these navigational features. That is not a good thing. If you have this header layout in your websites, no one will visit your website. So the solution to this is a sticky header. So here I have this sticky header. Here if I scroll down, the header remains sticky. It will not get hidden. Now if I click this navigational links like about, project and contact, the header is visible all the time. Now suppose I have this contact section, and if I want to visit to the top again, I can simply click this home and go to the top. Whereas in the non-sticky header, I was having a problem of scrolling to the top every time to see the header. So let's dive into our code and create a sticky header for our websites. So I have this layout for header, like the background color, height. Height would be auto. It would make your header responsive. Then text align to have the text at the center. Now we will simply use two key properties. The first property would be top, that would be 0, and position would be sticky. Now simply you will see that the non-sticky header that we have, that is the simple header, it will become a sticky header. So as you can see, now the header is not getting hidden. Now we can easily scroll to the different sections without the header getting hidden. Simply we can use this navigational links also, like about, project, contact, and again back to the home. So this is the advantage that you will have with the sticky header. So yes, that's all for this video. Now we can simply create a sticky header with this example. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.